Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Forex trading and discussing why it might not be the best option for beginners. We'll also explore some alternative online ventures that could be more rewarding and less stressful. Let's get started. Forex trading is often seen as a quick way to make money, but the reality is far more complex. Despite the countless success stories you might hear, day trading, especially in Forex, is extremely challenging and not for the faint-hearted. Many traders get lured in by the promise of high returns and the flexibility of working from anywhere. But let's face it, mastering Forex trading is not easy. According to some experts in this field, Forex trading requires an in-depth understanding of the markets, constant monitoring, and the ability to make quick decisions under pressure. Let's delve deeper into the challenges of Forex trading. One major issue is the inherent unpredictability of the market. Despite using strategies like price action trading, which many traders advocate for its adaptability and simplicity, the market can still move against you without warning. The emotional roller coaster of trading leads to overtrading and poor decision-making. Many traders fall into the trap of using complex indicators that lag behind real-time market movements, often resulting in missed and wrong entries. Another issue is the illusion of quick profits. Many get attracted by promotional materials promising high returns with minimal effort. The reality is far different. Achieving consistent profits in Forex requires years of experience, a deep understanding of the market, and rigorous discipline. In fact, most traders end up losing money. Overtrading and emotional decision-making are common pitfalls that lead to significant losses. The market is unpredictable, and even the most experienced traders can't always predict the outcomes. Especially bad results happen to financial professionals who have certain preconceptions about how this currency market works. Perhaps they have already traded on behalf of clients of certain banks, investment funds, or brokerage houses where they achieved some positive results by creating profitable positions in transactions with clients. Such self-righteous traders at one point make rush decisions without proper preparation. They think they are so smart and gifted, and that they can enter the Forex market and trade for their own account with confidence. Yet they go on and burn several accounts of few $1,000s each before they realize that they know very little about currency trading and that they should educate themselves well beforehand. Brush up on their knowledge of money management, the basics of Forex trading, the best currency pairs, correct risk management, position sizing, calculating, as well as other hidden pitfalls to prepare well before they go live into the Forex arena. And above all, practice their skills on the demo accounts with good results repeating in a sequence of at least 3 to 6 months. It is also important to note that this is a complex market to which you must devote all your time. This is not a market for those who work from 9 to 5 and would only like to trade occasionally when their free time allows them. These occasional so-called swing traders would like to briefly analyze the stock market. While drinking their first coffee in the morning, open 2, 3 positions to feel that dealer adrenaline, and then only briefly check their positions during the lunch break, expecting to devote themselves more to their positions in the afternoon when they return from their hard work. Unfortunately, this is a market where you have to be present continuously and monitor. It constantly wants you have an open position because changes happen live and rapidly. The market is complex because you can receive blows from several directions. For example, you can bet someday on the AUD-USD currency pair, where there are no major turbulences on that particular day, but unfortunately, through a certain market movements. In the other currency pairs, for example, AUD-JPY currency pair or AUD-CHF pair, the Australian dollar records a loss. That affects all currency pairs where Australian dollar is traded, including your own position. So this crushes your profits indirectly. This cannot happen with shares because if you have a position with certain share, Coca-Cola, for example, you only depend on the events related to Coca-Cola share without outside influence from other instruments. Forex market is extremely difficult to master, As per general statistic, only 5% of participants on the Forex market are successful long-term. Now, if you further deduct from those 5% the large brokerage houses, which are always and simply successful because they collect profit from each transaction in price, difference they charge, and always hedge their positions with clients, the success rate is even lower, probably around 1–2%. Is it really worth it to spend your time learning a market, which is extremely unpredictable and with such low edge in your favor? It is far better to focus your learning in some other more lucrative business opportunities instead. I would suggest some better alternatives for those looking to make money online. Primarily, devote your time by learning how to trade shares and some derivative instruments, connected with shares that give best edge in your favor and allow more positive success rates, like futures and options on major shares. And another interesting field for those that find equity derivative instruments difficult to learn, which is engaging yourself in social media entrepreneurship and learn digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and YouTube or TikTok content creation. Instead of chasing quick profits, consider building a sustainable online business. Let's explore some of these options further. Digital marketing is a fantastic field with endless opportunities. You can start by learning the basics of SEO, content marketing, and social media management. These skills are in high demand and can lead to a stable and lucrative career. Affiliate marketing is another great option. By promoting products and earning commissions on sales, you can build a passive income stream. It requires some upfront effort to create valuable content and attract an audience, but the rewards afterwards can be substantial. And let's not forget about YouTube. Creating engaging videos on topics you're passionate can be fun but also very profitable. With YouTube's ad revenue and sponsorship opportunities, many creators have turned their channels into full-time careers. Unlike Forex trading, these online ventures don't require you to monitor the markets constantly or make high-stakes decisions in seconds. They allow for more creativity, less stress, and the potential for long-term growth. Moreover, the skills you develop in these fields are versatile and in high demand. Whether you decide to stick with one venture or explore multiple other gigs, the knowledge and experience you gain can be incredibly valuable. In summary, while Forex trading can be lucrative for a select few, it's incredibly challenging and risky for most. Instead, consider investing your time and energy into digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or YouTube content creation. These fields offer more stability, creativity, and the potential for sustainable income. Thanks for watching Tomahawk Investor Channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content on the topics of entrepreneurship and making money online. Leave a comment below about which online venture interests you the most. See you next time.